Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. I'm stretching just a little bit in this tiny tidy, and I am actually decorating my home for the Easter spring season. I am just so ready for spring, so if you want some decorating slash cleaning slash tidying motivation, stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I'm just so ready for spring this year. Like, we're kind of having an early spring, so the weather's nice, and I was ready to decorate my home for spring a little bit early. So I thought I would do this for a tiny tidy. And I just spent just a little bit of time adding some Easter touches to each room. I'm sure that it will probably change as the season goes on. But right now I am happy with the way it is. I did not show each and every area, but I am going to highlight a few areas just so I can keep this video somewhat short. But I do hope this video motivates and inspires you, and maybe you guys might even want to add a touch of spring into your home today. Before I get started decorating, I just want to thank our host, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this collaboration. I will link her channel, The Helpful Home, in my description box below, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist to see what the rest of the Tiny Tidy team is up to. So let's get busy adding a touch of spring to my home. I started decorating by just folding this adorable little rabbit towel that I got at Marshall's a few years ago to add to my oven door, just to give a touch of Easter in here in the kitchen. I think it is just so cute, but not overpowering. I also got this berry scented candle. I cannot remember the exact name of it, but I got this candle at Kirkland's, so I wanted to light the candle. I think I can use this for spring and for summer as well. I love to have a candle for each season, and this is a 3-wick candle which will burn for a very long time. I lose my breath whenever I see you. I love this rabbit-shaped charcuterie board that I have. I love to put it with my cutting boards. It just adds just a little touch of Easter, and it's just so pretty. I found this at Marshall's last year. And then I have these rabbits, and all together they spell out Easter, so there is a letter on each one. So I just put these above my stove to add a touch of Easter there. And then I have these pears that I keep here year-round on this tray. And I just kind of moved them over and put a simple white bunny in the middle of it. Again, just to add that small touch of the spring Easter season. And then in my little my little plant arrangement, I put a pick with just a rabbit. And I think it looks so adorable there. And then I have this mug that says, "Love my peeps." And I added that just to add the touches of Easter throughout my kitchen. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Wanted to add a touch of spring to this sitting area, so I just found this cute little nest pick at Hobby Lobby, and I put it in my plant arrangement. Then I added a silver rabbit, and I threw some spring pillows on my chairs as well. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna my living room, I added some red tulips to my mantle just to brighten up the space for spring. I absolutely love tulips. I think that they are so gorgeous. I ordered these on Amazon and was surprised by how beautiful they actually are in person. I was so pleased. They were very affordable and they look good as well. And then I just put a couple of silver eggs on the mantle beside it just to bring in a touch of Easter. I have these ribbons that I made last year that just kind of have some spring colors that I tied to my lanterns, and that is all I wanted to do here at my fireplace.
You set my world on fire.
As I am editing this, I am laughing because I noticed that I still have out a winter throw and I need to replace that. So yes, that is a red throw in my blanket basket, but I will be sure to replace that with something more spring appropriate.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is
I love this rabbit. She is one of my favorites and she looks so cute sitting there.
you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I love this wooden bowl. It has a silver rabbit and I put some sparkly eggs inside.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I added this moss rabbit that I got from Home Goods to the shelf as you enter our doorway where we hang our coats, and it looks so welcoming. And now I am going to set my table for the spring Easter season.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around,
I am adding some sparkled eggs to my chandelier above my dining room table. I'm personally not the biggest fan of the chandelier, but I do love to decorate it for holiday seasons. So I am just taking some sparkle eggs. I bought the sparkle eggs and I just stuck a pin down in them and put some fishing line on them. And then I'm just tying them at varying heights to hang down and just give an Easter feel to the place settings.
can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I decided that I wanted to add some pink into my place setting in my dining room this spring, so I went to Hobby Lobby and got some floral pieces to make an arrangement for the center of my table.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
You are new to my channel, I'm going to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my YouTube channel, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. It is completely free to subscribe. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are turned on so that you receive a notification each and every time that I post. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior and would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. You're undeniable.
I took some candle holders and put some moss inside the candle holders, and then I put 3 sparkly eggs in each one just to bring down the sparkly eggs from the chandelier onto the table itself, so everything is just cohesive. And then I began creating my place setting.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that gray.
Absolute favorite find this year was these plates that they have at Kirkland's. It's like a set of 4, and each plate has a different rabbit on it. So I absolutely love these rabbit plates.
Witnessing all of your adventures.
these rabbit napkins at Target last year, and they're trimmed in pink, which goes perfectly with the new centerpiece that I just created, and that will complete my table look.
While you're going on about your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that this video motivated and inspired you in some way, shape, or form. Let me know in the comments what you guys did along with me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for 40 bags in 40 days. Have a great day. I love you. Bye-bye.